is Nur Inshira binti Syed Shahril and my metric number is 2216028. In this project, I contribute myself to do the introduction of artificial intelligence for academic research. AI has found its way into almost every aspect of life. Education is not an exception since it also facilitates the increase in the range of possible information, improvement of accuracy, and also increase in speed. AI is capable of doing a number of things better as compared to conventional procedure like integrating data examination to derive imitate data out of vast data sets. AI also compiles a set of interrelated research tools which can be used in different branches of knowledge in the same program. Sometimes specialized physical hardware as well as a huge computational power is needed for AI research activities, for example GPUs, which can be expensive for certain stakeholders. And also, the positive aspect of AI in academic research can enhance the speed of data analysis and also generate new hypotheses for further exploration, while the challenges that need to be addressed when using AI, as for example data quality concern, the accuracy of the model, the impact on ethical practice, and also maybe the model interpretability and the technical know-how. I also did the objective part, which is in this part, I briefly explain what is the objective for doing this research and also how you want to achieve it. So our main objective is to identify how the process of AI can enhance data analysis, reduce the time spent on the repetitive work, and also suggest ideas for the further research that would contribute to the creation of the interdisciplinary project and augment the credibility of data. Our objective also to search and outlines the threats and opportunities of AI, including data bias and also quality issues. Also, interpretability and complexity of AI, ethical issues, need for technical talents, and also colossal resources required for AI. Thirdly, our objective is to aim to provide information regarding these problems in the form of sources for improving the quality of data, directions for making the models more understandable, positive ethical principle, collaborative and also educative modalities, and other ways to increase the availability of the computational tools. Next, our objective is to consider the positive and negative impacts of applying AI and its consequences on the academic research by discussing possible shifts throughout numerous fields and also to predict additional AI development in the future. And last but not least, our objective is to make sure that academics, policymakers, and the public get the right information regarding the current method in applying AI in their scholarly work. Last but not least, my part in this group project is I need to do the conclusion part, in which I need to summarize and conclude all the information my group mates wrote in this assignment to summarize all the information gathered for our topic, which is challenges and opportunities of artificial intelligence for academic research. To sum up, the advantages of AI utilization in the research context can be illustrated here the most as the employment of standard measures enhances the research replicability and also eliminates the human factor bias and also errors. However, prior to these opportunities arriving, there are a few issues that need to be resolved to get the most out of AI. While the interpretability of complex models is sometimes a concern at levels of reliability, data quality and bias often lead to inaccuracies. Other possible issues to consider are eating to ethical dilemmas, limitations of privacy, misuse of AI, as well as demand for an ethical code for the use of AI in organizations. So that's all from my part. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Adul Hakim bin Kamal Zaman. My number matric is 2210417. Today I want to tell my contribution in group project, which is challenges on AI academic research. Now we go to the introduction. The use of AI academic research have the potential to revitalize traditional academic if it develop into the future as mentioned above. However, there are some issues that may have in the future regarding AI academic research. In our world, it's very much competitive in view of some new initiative that scholars may face to overcome the challenge. There are five challenges of AI in academic research. First of all is a negative result that the possibility that some ambiguity may surface of the unfavorable outcomes. That the meaning of this statement is the the information that I produce is not meet a requirement what the student or researchers want to search. The secondly is a completeness. It is additional concerns regarding the nature and degree of unlessness of the data. The meaning of this statement is some of AI information that produced by AI is not completeness because we don't know where the source of the or the link that AI give information to us. Our even though we ask the AI where the source of the information that AI produce. Thirdly is accuracy. AI methods and models are designed to show weakest visible patterns and connection. It could be difficult to discriminate between patterns that are merely false. The accuracy, the comparison of accuracy between the manual and AI is totally different. For example, the student that use manual research get more information compared to student who use AI website. The accuracy of the manual research is more detailed compared to student who use AI website because the source of the source of data that student use a manual research have many source. For example, from the book, website, and the experience. But however, the student who use use AI website may not meet a requirement accuracy because the AI produced from the website only. The fourth is a productivity. Another in another, sometimes overlooked factor in expected outcomes in productivity, which is influenced by the decision developers make about how AI systems learn and retrieve their surroundings. Some of it provides teacher and administration with true information of various facets of student behavior or learning into the appreciation action. That means the comparison of productivity of student that use a manual method and AI method is different because the the productivity of student that use a manual method is more productive compared to student who use a AI method because the student who use a manual method need to more hard working to find the results compared to student who use a AI. For the example, the student who use the AI, they can only search in the AI website that AI show the information. However, for the student who use a manual method, they need to go many places like such as library to find the accurate information for their studies. That show that the productivity of the student which who use a manual method is more productive compared to students who use AI method. Lastly, AI bias. The finding of scholars regarding potential bias in artificial intelligence AI are a major concern the developing and implementing AI in education. The meaning of disclaimer is the scholars are worried about the AI bias because of because of the A- the AI information is based off the AI can know about our gender, our nation, our religion because we before we want to use a AI website we need to log in log in or sign up into their account. That may exploit our identity. The AI may give the different information based on our identity. That's all. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Taqib Asfar bin Muhammad Suhaimi. My matric number 2212253. I am from Kuliah Architecture. First of all, my contribution in this group project is to analyze and identify the opportunity of artificial intelligence in academic research. I do research on the internet to collect the information and find any research paper about artificial intelligence. There are a lot of opportunities of artificial intelligence that we can find in academic research. The first opportunity is AI offer precise and creative data analysis. Huge amounts of data are capable of being managed by artificial intelligence technologies, which provide rich and comprehensive analytical results that enhance the quality of research and educational process. Traditional data analysis methods often struggle with big data due to their limited processing power and speed. AI is capable of analyzing huge amounts of data within a shorter time from the internet. Artificial intelligence is particularly good at finding intricate patterns and correlations in data and that conventional analytical methods could miss. Then, it can improve productivity and efficiency. This free up researcher from having to spend time on more in-depth analysis and critical thinking. The acceleration of knowledge production with a number of journal articles doubling every 10 years has become one of the biggest challenges for all researchers. Larger quantities of articles can therefore be searched very quickly to come up with the relevant material through the use of artificial intelligence engines. AI can gather huge sets of research data by automating the data extraction process from websites, forums, and social media. Besides that, it also can stimulate the critical thinking. AI-powered adaptive learning system can present students with complex, open-ended problems tailored to their skill level, pushing them to think critically and solve problems. This system can adjust the difficulty of tasks in real time based on the student performance, ensuring a continuous challenge that promotes critical thinking. AI can create interactive case study and stimulations that immerse students in real-world scenarios requiring critical thinking and decision making. And these simulations can adapt to student choice, providing immediate feedback and allowing students to see the consequences of their decisions, which foster reflective thinking. And lastly, is the natural language processing (NLP). It is a subfield of artificial intelligence. It helps machines to understand and analyze and generate human language in purposive manner. The concept of natural language processing holds a number of opportunities to make a different research process in the sphere of student education more efficient and automate in the framework of academic research. These programs can provide feedback on grammar, indicate the errors that you made, suggest corrections, and even give grades for an essay based on specific set criteria. Each text volume, including research papers, textbook, and article, can be parsed and summarized by the natural language processing to ease the work of researchers scanning through literature to identify a critical topic. This encourages researchers to actively review their work and make improvements. Uh, that's all from me. Thank you.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Noliana binti Azhar, matrix number 2218524. In this group project, I did the survey question. This survey is to gain more knowledge and information about our topic. So now I will present our survey question and data analysis. We have conducted a survey question consists of 10 questions to help us gain data and knowledge about our topic. Through this survey, we have gained 32 respondents. For the first question, we asked their gender. The result is half of our respondents are female. The second question, we asked their level of education. Either they are undergraduate student or postgraduate student. So 93.8% of our respondents come from undergraduate student. The third question is we asked their years of study. The dominant respondents are from second year students, followed by first year student, and then the fourth year student, and lastly the third year student. Then we asked their kuliah. Most of our respondents come from KAIT, then followed by KIRKHS and KENMS, and followed by KICT and ICOT. The fifth question, we ask what is their role in academic research, either they are student or teacher. But 100% of our respondents are students. And our sixth question, we ask how familiar are them with the use of AI in academic research. 10 respondents are familiar with the use of AI in academic research, while 7 of the respondents are very unfamiliar. 6 are unfamiliar. The seventh question, we ask their opinion about what are the main challenges research face when implementing AI in their work. So according to the response, the main challenge is data quality and accuracy, over-reliance of AI tools followed by ethical consideration. The lowest challenge is privacy and data protection. The eighth question, we ask what opportunities do they see in AI bringing to the academic research. So the responding to the AI bring highest opportunities on automate time-consuming research procedure and access to innovate and accurate data analysis. The lowest opportunities they see that they don't see any advantage of using AI in research. For our second last question, we ask them have they personally experienced any specific challenges or opportunity to AI in their research project. And almost all of the students say that they face challenges or opportunities of AI in their research project. And our last question, we ask how do they think AI can enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of academic research. So 70% believe that AI can enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of academic research, through powerful referencing tool. 68% says through improved understanding of research problems, and the lowest says through optimized research design. Next are the impact on challenge and opportunity of AI in academic research. I'll present the impact of AI in academic research. For the first part, AI enables independent and speedy sorting of large datasets. It is quite hard for human beings to go through large datasets and try to draw patterns and make conclusions at a similar pace to the machine learning algorithm. Second, AI capable of advancing research through creating novel and research questions and hypotheses. The third advantage of AI is AI techniques significantly reduce the time spent on reviewing literature. Next, I'll move on to the bad impacts, which is the disadvantage. The first disadvantage of AI is the accuracy of the AI program is directly dependent on the data that they have been developed from. In this case, the AI performs the role of amplification of bias that were initially inherent in the training dataset, which means that the result of the work can be flawed. Second disadvantage is relying entirely on AI for data analysis and hypothesis generation can limit human instinct and creativity in the process. A complete reliance on AI to make data analysis and generation of hypotheses can limit the overall involvement of the instinct and creativity of humankind in the procedure. And lastly, the bad impact, the disadvantage is job automation threatens employees, thereby making them susceptible to being laid off by AI. Important activities that used to be accomplished with the help of research assistants can be done by machine, including data gathering and primary data analysis. While it may mean more efficiency, the presented system can also shorten early career researchers' practical periods and limit their training, which can jeopardize their eventual advancement as well as the overall supply of academic workers. So, that is all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Farhid Amri bin Abdul Manaf. My metric number 2214739. Today, I'll be presenting about my part, which is recommendations on how artificial intelligence can enhance the efficiency and effectiveness on academic research. Recommendations on how AI can enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of academic research. For the introduction, in the world of academics, artificial intelligence is like a game changer, bringing new ways to research that are faster and better. AI can help a lot in making research more efficient and effective. Through the development of powerful referencing tools and the facilitation of an improved understanding of research problems, AI enhance the productivity and success of learning activities. Now, we will go through one by one of the main point, starting from powerful referencing tools from questionnaire. The most important thing AI can do to enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of academic research is their powerful referencing tools. The strong basis of academic referencing, which connects ideas through a web of citations and sources, is fundamental to intellectual discourse. Traditionally, compiling and managing these references has been a laborious task, often fraught with errors and inconsistencies. However, with the advent of AI-powered referencing tools, this laborious undertaking transforms into a streamlined and effective procedure. They use fancy tech stuff like machine learning to scan tons of articles and then make perfect reference for us. This means less time fixing references and more time focusing on our actual research. Plus, it makes our papers look more professional and trustworthy because our references are spot on. On the other hand, the result in the questionnaire shows AI could improve understanding of research problems. navigating the expansive landscape of academic literature to pinpoint these problems can often prove to be a daunting task, shrouded in ambiguity and complexity. This is where AI emerges as a guiding light, illuminating the path towards a clearer comprehension on research problems. AI offers scholars priceless insights and viewpoints because of its unmatched speed and accuracy in analyzing large volumes of data and literature. Moving on, there are some recommendations that will open up our eyes and minds. AI can streamline the process of experimentation by automating certain tasks and facilitating simulations in virtual environments. For instance, AI algorithms can design and execute experiments autonomously, adjusting parameters in real time based on ongoing results. This not only accelerates the pace of data collection but also enables researchers to explore a wider range of experimental conditions efficiently. Additionally, AI-powered simulations can model complex phenomena and predict outcomes, providing valuable insights into scenarios that may be impractical or ethically challenging to investigate directly. Moving on to the next one. AI technologies have the potential to revolutionize education and training in academic by delivering personalized learning experiences tailored to individual needs and preferences. Through the analysis of learner data and behavior, AI algorithms can identify areas of strength and weakness, allowing for the customization of educational content and methodologies. For example, AI-powered adaptive learning system can dynamically adjust the difficulty of coursework, provide targeted feedback, and offer supplementary resources based on each student's unique learning trajectory. This personalized approach not only enhances student engagement and comprehension but also optimizes the allocation of instructional resources. Furthermore, AI can facilitate collaborative learning environments by connecting students with peers and mentors who share similar interests or expertise, fostering a culture of knowledge exchange and innovation within academic communities. I think that is all from me. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Amirul Fikri bin Safarul Izan, and my metric number is 2211509, and I'm from group 11. So today I will present about source of finding. So our data presentation refers to the presentation of information sourced by the researcher in graphic and visual form to determine challenge and opportunity of artificial intelligence, which is AI, in academic research. In addition, the presentation of data also aims to facilitate the researcher's analysis of data that has been placed in the form of graphs and tables. Based on this study, the researcher has sought 32 students of the International Islamic University of Malaysia, which is IIUM, and member of the public to answer the question that has been prepared by our group. So we move to the next slide. So based on the pie chart for gender, there are 40.6% respondent out of 32 who submit question, consisting of male respondent and 59.4% female respondent. Most of the respondents are from the undergraduate student with the percentage of 93.8% among 4 years of study. Majority of the students are in their second year of study, which is 53.1%, and 9.4% in their third year, 12.5% in their fourth year, and 25% in their first year. Other than that, most of the students that have submitted the respondent are from Kuliah KAID, KIR KHS, and also KenMas. So we move to the next slide. Next, from the bar graph, we can see that 31% of students responded are not so familiar with the use of AI in academic research, which is recorded at level 2. For the column graph, we can see that the main challenge that the researcher face when implementing AI in their work are data quality and inaccuracies and overlays on AI tools, which was recorded at 53.1% for both. Next, from the column graph, the opportunity that AI brings to academic research automate time-consuming research procedures which was recorded at 62.5%. Lastly, from the column graph, 75% of the respondents think that AI is powerful referencing tools which can enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of academic. So, for the conclusion, we can see that AI can is very helpness in our life and in our study. So it will very helpful to our to the student. So that's all for me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.